Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I really would like to talk about what is Google Search Console, what exactly it is and why we need it. Now, in order for me to explain that, I quickly would like to navigate to Click and Capture Studio website. And here I want to click on the blog so that we can see the recent blog that we have created. And the blog is about South Indian bridal reception look. Now, I quickly would like to open this blog. And once we have opened this blog, here we can see the images that we have kept on the blog and the content that we have written about the blog. And there are some internal and external links on this particular blog. Here we do have explore wedding photography. So when we click on this button, it will take us to the Click and Capture Studio wedding photography page, right? So what exactly is Google Search Console and why we have to use it? So let me quickly open a new tab. I want to navigate to Google and I want to search Google Search Console. And here we can see optimize your content with search analytics. See which queries bring users to your site. I want to really make it very simple. I want to give you a very small example so that you will clearly understand what Google Search Console is about. Now coming back to the website, this is the blog that we have created, right? It is about the South Indian reception look. Now whenever we create a new blog or a new post or a new page in the website, we have to navigate to the Google Search Console and we have to submit that particular URL in the Google Search Console. And when we submit it to the Google Search Console, what the Google will do? It will start crawling. It will send a Google bot to this particular URL. It will have a look at the blog that we have created. It will examine each and every keyword that we have mentioned. It will make a note. It will understand. It will see the images based on the alt text that we have kept. It will see if there are any internal or external links. So it understands the page by crawling. And once it is done, by making an use of the Google Search Console, we ask the Google. Now you have seen what our blog is about, right? You did the crawling. After the crawling, we ask the Google to perform the indexing. What is an index in Google? Now what do I mean by indexing? After the crawling gets completed, after the Google bot understands what's inside the blog that we have created, it will start indexing our blog, which means it's going to keep the blog in the Google database so that when someone in the Google search engine, if they search for South Indian bridal reception look, since the Google have performed the indexing on this particular page, based upon the keywords that we have used on this blog, it will pull this blog and keep on the very top of the Google search engine results page. So the main purpose of the Google Search Console is, the very first thing, we can ask the Google to perform the crawling, and the second thing, we can ask the Google to perform the index for each and every page or post that we have created or updated. And also the third thing that we make in use of the Google Search Console is, we clearly understand how many people are viewing our website, what are the keywords that they are using to find our website, and what pages in our website the people are mostly visiting. We get all of these insights in the Google Search Console. And finally, we can find all the problems that are related to our website. I want to give one example. Imagine that there is a broken link inside the page. So in the Google Search Console, we can find that information. And also Google Search Console will give us the suggestions to improve our SEO. It will give us some suggestions. So all of these 4 or 5 things that we can do in the Google Search Console. In the next video, I will clearly explain you how we can access the Google Search Console and how we can verify our website clickandcapturestudio.com. If you really find this video helpful, I want you to follow all my digital marketing classes. They are going to be super easy, and if you have any questions related to Google Search Console, I want you to leave a comment right below this video and I'll have a look at your comment and I will answer your questions, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.